Guys, back with another video. We got this JB Weld. It's good for all types of stuff, household repairs, automotive, plumbing. Works on all these surfaces such as metal, plastic, PVC, wood, concrete. And we're going to go ahead and try it on this wood. I got this paper towel holder and I want to just try to seal it. Okay, so it says the set time 6 minutes, and where does it say set time? It says the set time is 6 minutes, cure time is 4 to 6 hours. So we're gonna go ahead and bust this open and go ahead and turn this, pop this open, and so we're gonna squeeze this stuff off onto here. Just use right in here. We'll use right in here. We'll squeeze it. So we'll go ahead and squeeze it. It's supposed to be equal amounts. You squeeze equal amounts onto here. Okay. Good. And of course I've used too much, but I'm only going to use this stuff once for this. I'm going to take this. I'm going to take the bottom of this thing. Stuff's really kind of runny. Man, don't get that all over you. Put that on there like that. Push it down. We're going to let this sit for 6 minutes and then see if it, we'll see if it's sealed. That stuff dries quick. I'm grabbing the popsicle stick. You can't even pull it out. Stuck in there. And look when you try to pull it. It's not going anywhere. That stuff works really good. So let's see if it's there. We made a little bit of mess, but we're gonna clean that up. But it's there. That's what we want. Like the video, like, subscribe. See you on the next one.